SMMA owner, I'm going to give you reasons why you should and should not do so and where you can outsource, right? We want to go over the pros and cons, where you can outsource, and how you can basically turn this into actionable steps in these next couple hours after watching this video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
If you're an SMMA owner right now and you're not doing the fulfillment, you don't want to do the fulfillment, you're just good at selling, and maybe you joined a program where they're teaching you how to build an SMMA, and then you now have to go find the fulfillment, or the program has a white label partner that's doing the fulfillment. I kind of want to go over the pros and cons of this, right? The pros are you don't have to do fulfillment. Another pro is that it's cheaper than sometimes you hiring a whole entire team. Number 3 is you really don't have any obligations to the clients. You just have to focus on selling. The cons are you don't have any quality control. The other con is that they don't have account managers and onboarders. So you have to hire those people in your business in order to actually still manage the client, but not do the fulfillment. And I've seen agencies make that mistake where they hire a white label. They think that the white label does everything. They think the white label hops on Zoom calls with the client, does reporting, and they just don't. All they do is you get them in a Slack chat, white label comes in, it's only the media buyer. So that media buyer might be managing X amount of accounts. They're not hopping on calls, they're not hopping on Zooms, they might not even be going in the client chats and talking. So now it's just you, and you're sitting there and the clients start getting mad about communication and whatnot. So make sure if you do go the white label route, or you're paying X amount of money per account for someone to come in and do the fulfillment, that you have an account manager, you have an onboarder, and you have a project manager. Those 3 people to help manage the chats, manage clients, expectations, manage their daily questions, hop on Zooms, go over reporting. You want to have your own media buyer as well so that they can cross-reference with the white label company, so that you can obviously not just outsource, but also have 2 people at the same time going over reporting, cross-referencing those ad account results. So that's kind of just my advice. But if you're going to outsource, there's companies like Agency Elevation, Agency Box, there's a bunch of white labels. All you have to do is just go on Google and search SMMA white label company, and you'll find a bunch. Usually the ones that are $97 to $197 an account aren't really that great, to be honest with you. You want to go for a white label company that, yes, they're going to take more of your margin, but they actually have better systems in place. Like if you're paying between $300 and $500 for a white label partner per account, that's a good range to be in. Don't just go for the cheap route because you want to take a 90% margin. Take that 60% margin. You're gonna have better fulfillment, less client headaches, more retention, and then you can build other systems around the white label to then propel you forward. So I hope this video kind of gave you the pros and cons and how to outsource your fulfillment for your SMMA. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate